Yeah, asking something. Did you wake up this morning? Take a look and you checked your phone to see if you got any service calls. Please, there are no calls. Maybe you were expecting calls like emergency water leak, hot water tank repair, main lines clogged up, but nothing. No calls at all. And then you think to yourself, maybe people aren't calling. Maybe no one had any issues today. But here's the thing, people are having plumbing issues all the time, and people are calling all the time. They just don't call you.